Cupcakes, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be reviewing a package I received from SampleSources.com. SampleSources.com is an online site where you can get free samples of makeup, beauty care, household cleaning, even food and snacks. You can find them on Instagram and Twitter. The first item I received is the Refresh Vaginal Gel, Odor Eliminating Gel, clinically shown to maintain healthy vaginal pH. Use Refresh Vaginal Gel after your periods, before or after sex, after douching, for freshness anytime. This is an application that lasts for 3 days. It eliminates feminine odor and relieves feminine discomfort. So try it out. The second thing I received from SampleSources.com is the Clairol Your Color Expert free box coupon. It's a 1 free box of Clairol Root Touch-Up Hair Color worth up to $8.99. Honestly, wasn't expecting a coupon for the hair dye, but okay, it's okay. But Sample Sources will need to get it together and be accurate. So cupcakes, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to like, comment, share, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. See you later, alligator. Bye.